Burke County Public Library. Today, this tutorial is going to show you how to get registered for the summer reading program using our ReadSquared software. If you have participated in the program before, you can log in using your previous username and password. If you're not sure what your password was, you can always get it via email here. But in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to get registered. So if you'll navigate to the upper right-hand corner, you will see where it says register and log in. We are going to click register. And it's going to immediately ask you if you're going to be registering just yourself or yourself and other readers. In this tutorial, we're going to go over registering myself and other readers. So to begin, it's going to ask how old you are. We're going to start with an adult account and create what I like to call an anchor account. Now, it's going to ask you what program you want to sign up for. This is very important to pay attention to which one you are registering for. You want to make sure that you are in the right program. If you're not totally sure, you can always contact any library location and we'll be happy to look that up for you. As I am an adult, I'm going to be registering for the Adult Summer Reading Program. It's going to ask for some basic information and you're going to want to create a username and password. This is important because once you make that username and password, you will be able to access your account and any additional readers that you have added. So fill out that information and click continue. So we're going to add our next reader. Our next reader is going to be a teenager. And so they will be choosing the Make Some Noise at Your Library for this year. Again, make sure you are choosing the correct program. If you have a reader who has just finished the 5th grade, they can choose if they want to do the young adult program or the children's program. Keep in mind, you can only choose one. Again, you will have some basic information and it will go ahead and start auto-populating based off of that anchor account. Here, you will notice the username and password are not required. If you do have a reader who will be tracking any of their information on their own device, a username and password is recommended for them, but that is completely up to you. And finally, we're going to add a child. So we will choose their age and select the kids program here. And you will add in some basic information. It will auto-populate the rest. And if you are done adding readers, you can click done. Once you have everything registered, you are ready to participate in the summer reading program. If you want to switch between readers in the upper left-hand corner where it says active reader, you can drop down to view all of your readers. Click on the reader's name to log for them. You can also check out any events that are available by clicking the Events tab. You can always go back home by clicking here. To log any books read, all you have to do is click that log button. For adults and teens, we track books read. For kids, we track minutes read. If you have read a book and let's say you read them together, you will want to make sure that you select that you both read it, or if only one of you read it, select that. And that's all you have to do to track your books read. Event codes are very much the same way. Tap that event code there. Type in your event code and everyone who participated in that event. And just like that, we just added 2 entries for our reader here. Again, for the kids is a little different because when you go to log they will be logging minutes read, and you will notice that the only reader that is available to track minutes read is going to be the one who is registered as a kid. So we're going to say we read for an hour. And again, make sure you select that reader. It will turn blue for you. And click submit. And that is all you have to do in order to use the ReadSquared software to track your summer reading program participation. If you have any questions, you can always contact your local library branch or visit us online at bcpls.org.